AirPods Pro 2nd Gen with USB Type-C port will be available in Q3 2023, Ming-Chi Kuo, according to TF Securities analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who has previously leaked information about various Apple products. Apple plans to release a new version of the 2nd generation AirPods Pro featuring a USB Type-C connector. Kua was replying to a tipster who claimed that iOS 16.4 contained references to new AirPods with the model number A3048 and a new AirPods case with the model number A2968 via a quote tweet, and that tweet link is in the description. If the analyst prognosis is correct, the AirPods Pro 2nd Gen, which were released in September 2022, alongside the iPhone 14 series of handsets, might be available later this year in a new variant with a USB Type-C port. According to Quo, the new AirPods Pro 2nd Gen model might hit the market in the second or third quarter of this year. This isn't the first time that Apple has dished the Lightning port in favor of a USB Type-C port. The firm has previously equipped newer iPad models with compatibility for a contemporary USB connector. As the Siri Remote for the Apple TV, rumor has that the company will also equip its iPhone 15 models with USB Type-C connections when they launch later this year. The Cupertino company recently replaced its first generation AirPods Pro model with a MagSafe compatible charging case, but buyers were required to purchase a new pair of AirPods Pro in addition to the charging case. There is no indication on whether Apple plans to update additional accessories with USB Type-C connectors. Sorry for the background noise. Such as the AirPods 3rd Gen and AirPods Max.